¿Dónde está?
Men's room is over there on the left.
Cabron, I need to see you a boss.
I ain't sure what HD is, but the doctor just called and said I got 80 of them bitches. Woo!
Should really get some dick in my ass. I wonder if the homies want to fuck. I should download Grindr first.
No. The cheese has been discovered. Oh!
1, 2, 3. Ready?
What can I get for you?
Black people can't marry white people.
Hey now.
It's Garnet from Steven Universe.
Kids, don't be racist.
Cut!
Ed, you'll kill yourself. Get off that skateboard.
That nigga go Yankee.
I went from one.
Why is he looking for me? Why is he looking for me?
Get a drop on him.
Bounce, nigga. Bounce.
I want to see.
Wait, can I get your name and badge number? Wait.
Stop.
What? Ooh, ooh. You want a treat?
Oh boy, that girl is so pretty. I think I'm going to ask her out on a date. Hey, did you want to maybe grab a bite?
Fuck you.
Said the fuck you girl, stealing my balls and straight up throwing them like a quarterback.
Hey, look, I didn't know you were allowed to keep monkeys at home.
Red, I think that's a man.
Oh, sorry, mister.
When you're trying to sleep and you hear the beeps of soap and suds, but the sounds of washing hands were not preceded by a flush. Kinda confused, the order they choose, the questions they've created. You can rest assured the things you've heard your roommate just masturbated.
Ah, good for them.
What to do after you finish a magazine in school? You reload. I I don't get that joke. Must be aimed at a younger audience. Ooh.
I'm stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose.
Ahora escutamos por aquí.
I be on one. Huh? Why you taking pictures in that lab? He don't own one. Shades on my
165 gigabytes to download one game. Are you kidding? That's gonna take forever.
A plane just hit the World Trade Center. Reloading.
Okay, dogs don't tunnel underground and then come up through the middle of some romaine lettuce. Dogs don't do that. That is a dangerous dog. That's a mole person's dog. Be careful. Don't.
What the hell? No. Bad boy. You live over there. Go back to the freaks.
You call him boy. My name's Hand Banana.
Why, you talking to me here?
No, not anymore. We're done talking.
Hang on. Let me bend over and pick this thing up again. Hey, banana, no!
Oh, Mr. White, check out the summer steam sale, bitch. Fine, Jesse. Jesse, what the fuck is furry aim train?
Sauerländer Gurken, knackig im Biss.
So I was cooking this burrito actually I was cooking these two burritos, and I was looking at the instructions, and these things have 12 grams of protein, and they were only $1.60.
What's up? I forgot. No English. Ni hao mao shu shen muji.
What language was that?
You speak English? Me too.
Can I sleep in your bed tonight?
I'll do anything. I'll do whatever it takes to...
My damn hood. Oh my fu- No! This nigga just did a fucking cartwheel.
There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and...
Yes, I'm home. I'm alive. This is all a miracle. I'm awake. I'm wide awake.
When you have a bad day, give up. Go home and sleep. Fuck it. Try again tomorrow. Not every bad day can become a good day. Some days are fucked and cannot be unfucked. When you have a day that is fucked beyond repair, that is the universe speaking to you, sending you a message. Listen to the universe. Go home. Save your energy. Tomorrow is another day.